But you guys, you know, when you're doing all this, especially in like California, places like that, you should always put your sunscreen on, even when it's cloudy. Sometimes that's the worst, you know. So I use this one. It's kind of zinc-based one. It's guaranteed to work pretty good. If I get one face, I don't know. Okay, so best to be safe than sorry. All right. So this one here is a mystery box here, and I really like the look of this one. It's the old cardboard again, so it's about ready to fall apart. But you know, this one I think we have great expectations. So let's take a look. Okay, so we start off here with a Nippon. This Nippon is the name for Japan. Oh, it's got a chip. Otherwise, that would have been $15 plate. As it is, it's plain less. Now this one, obviously, you know, this is Jasper ware, so this is Wedgwood. There you go. It's impressed mark in there. Not so desirable as it was, but a good $10 there. Maybe a little more. Little jug, the same stuff. Wedgwood. 5 on that one. Some of this old crispy sound of the nice old newspapers. You can actually tell what date this is, I guess, somewhere in it. Got time, something like that. As we go along, we'll find it. So that's kind of a bit of a hint for when it was. It's Wednesday, May the 30th, 1979. The Independent, whatever it is. So 1979 is a very good year, because that's the year I came to the United States. How about that? Oh look, we got pigs on here.
You do everything, right?
Eh?
So you got to check.
Yeah, I'm in charge. You know how that goes, right? So this is like a pig's tea party. That's different than the chimpanzee's tea party, right? So that's actually really cool. Here's a, and there's the teapot to go with it. This is actually made in Germany, so that's pretty cool. I've actually never seen. Looks like pigs smoking cigarettes. How about that? That's not good, is it? That's actually it is. Look at that, more pigs. That's amazing. This smoke, it's the same as the teapot, that one. It's a little sugar bowl, German. There's a lot of stuff in there. This might take a while. I don't know. Ah, that goes right way over there, right? Right? Yeah, look at that. What a find. See? So I'm not sure what that flower is. It's kind of, I think it's like a winter rose or something like that. Ah, yeah, look at this. There's the little saucer for that one. The one falling off the table. That's one of the gems in here. Goes with the Disneyland one. See? Look. It's even got Tinkerbell inside. That's a good one. The one that goes, I know we saw that one somewhere. Here we go. This is like one of those game shows, mix and match. How quick can you do it, you know? I've been waiting to get this undone, because I knew it was going to be a treasure trove of cups and saucers and little bits of this and that. And poor Sally has to put all this away and put prices on it and put it out. See, the glamour of the antique shop is like going out collecting. Then you've got to clean it and display it. And this is actually done the washing, which is really good, not greasy or nothing like that. Sometimes you get it from someone's kitchen and they're a complete mess, you know. Here's another English one. That's nice. This is the oldest one in here. It's a nice fluted, hand painted, and it's probably bone china, Fenton. Okay, so, and there's the pattern there, Gratinue. But that's really beautiful. No chips, cracks or nothing. All hand painted. Look. Amazing. Hope we've got the saucer for that one. Yay! We're doing really good. Doing really good. If we did this every morning, it'd be great, wouldn't it? There you go. There's a cornflower. So you gotta know your flowers. Now we saw that one. Now my train has gone off, but I saw this one here. There we go. Look at that. Da 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 da. The trained eye of the cup and saucer detectives. Da da. Pa 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 da. Now I saw that one somewhere. Let me see over here. There you go. That's a nice one. This is an older one too. Paragon. By appointment. That means there's by appointment to the Queen. There's the crown and all that stuff in there. So this is what the Queen like, by appointment. All right, well here we go. Another piece of Wedgwood. So you got a creamer and sugar bowl. That's good. That's nice. See, just mash it up as we go. It's really good, isn't it? What is this? What's in here? Feels like a little kind of jug thing. Oh, look at that. There's a coffee cup. Oh. That's left in China, it's made in Japan. That's what goes on there, probably like that. Oh, that's a big saucer for that. Couple more bits. The Japanese village and deer park, Buena Park. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? I didn't know they had that there. It must be pre-war. This, getting down dirty now. Getting down to, oh, there's the cup for it. There you go. Beautiful. It's never ending. What do they call it? The bottomless pit. Oh, there's the corn one. Yeah, I think we got probably $300 worth of stuff here. Well, all I can say to that is I could make a mess here and then Sally make me clear it all up. So what do? I'll make a mess. Yay! Ta-da!